So what's up YouTube? I hope all are doing fine, and I guess all are fine. Okay, let's start this video. So in this video or today I'll teaching you about how do you use SU command. That will be a super user. The abbreviation will be like a super user. Okay, so if you do SU and if you do light, so light will be the other user. I'm using two users, that will be parrot and light. If you use like that, it will ask for the password. The password will be something like this, and you can shift to the what light user. So it is showing the light user as a user. I'm currently in the light user. If I do ls, you can see. Okay, if I need to go back, I need to use exit. So I'll go for the parrot user again. Okay, now what I do, what if you just specify SU, it will shift to the root user. Okay, so it will go for the root user. If you are going to the root user of a parrot, then you can use SU, or else you can use sudo SU. That will also go for the root user. If you need to come back, you need to use exit. Okay, if you need to preserve the environment variable of some particular user, then you can use SU, but I typed the wrong password, sorry. Yeah, it will preserve the environment variable of that particular user. Okay, okay, let's say that you need to specify a shell to use a new session. Okay, let's use SU and yes and bin and sh to particular user, that will be light. What it does, yeah, so see, instead of going inside that particular user, you can specify this user should run this particular what shell. Okay, so that you need to use -s, so it will prompt a dollar symbol. Then instead of having this kind of sentences or UI, instead of that you can just use it by dollar symbol. You can do whatever you want, like cat file.txt, like that. You can do cat or something like that, cat file 4.txt that also will work. Yeah, there is nothing that, so it will not display. If you need to come out, you need to do exit. Okay, let's say that you are having many groups, then you need to shift between groups. You can also use -g, that will shift between groups. Okay, let's say that you are in parrot user, then you need to run some other commands in light user. Okay, light is the other user. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, let's go to home directory and just show you guys. Okay, so there is two users, that will be light and a parrot. If you need to like, instead of since see, I am in the parrot user. Okay, what and all the commands I execute will be saved in the logs of parrot user, not the light user. If I need to execute the command in the light user, you can use SU, then C, then you can use LSL in light user. Okay, if I do like this, if I ask for the password, then it will execute like this. Okay, let's go inside the light user. How do you go? SU light. Let's check the history, HISTORY. If you check the history, you can see that I guess exit. If you check the history, HISTORY, you can see I executed this, but it was the command will be stored in the same user. Okay, but you will execute in the other user, but the command will be stored in the same user, but it will execute all the as I showed you, SU-C, and I executed ls -l. It will list all the content in the light user, not the current user. Current user I'm using parrot user. It will list all the content in the light user, not the current user. That is why that is what you can use su command to. See, let's go inside the light and just it's, you can't go, I guess. Yeah, okay. Let's do another this one, another argument. You can use help to get help. So you can use G for the group and support groups, and C, as I showed you, pass a single command to a shell with using this one. And pass F for a shell. You can use many arguments with su, or else you can go for manual page, and you can check what and all the arguments that can be used. Okay, you can check the version VRS, and you can check the version. It is like 2.36.1. okay, that is about the use of su command. And thank you for watching. Thank you for having that much patience to watch. Thank you. Bye.